हाय हेलो नमस्ते वनकम शशिकाल आदाब नमस्कार. We are South Indian faculties at Modulus Coaching Classes. It is a reputed institute for NEET, IIT, JEE Foundation classes. So this is Gnaneshwarachari, Faculty of Chemistry. So in this session we are going to discuss about a skeleton diagram of periodic table. Everybody knows that here periodic table is nothing but it is a important topic and as well as it is a backbone of chemistry. Here periodic table is nothing but periodic table is having some kind of groups and periods. So actually why need classification? Why need classifications? Here groups are 18, periods are 7. So why need classification means not only in chemistry, in every subject why need classification means nothing but here. So here classification, when we are classified we will easy to learn. So learn more and with least effort is the basic principle of every classification, not only in chemistry, in every classification. So here hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, these are belongs to first A group element. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium are belongs to second A group element. After that we have middle elements scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So after that we have here P black elements here. So what are those means here? Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminum, gallium and thallium. After that carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, isn't it? So after that nitrogen group, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. It's bismuth, not kismuth. Okay, so nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Oxygen family, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Okay, after that halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. After that noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, so here we have series here. This is called as 3D series and we have here 4D series, 10 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements here, 4D series, and we have 5D series like 10 elements and 6D series, incomplete with incomplete elements here. So total how many elements are there in periodic table? Total 118 elements are there. Okay, as of now we have 118 elements and we have behind this periodic table we have many theories and rules and regulations we have here. So I am not discussing about here the rules and regulations and procedures and previous theories and theorems. So just we are discussing about here skeleton diagram of periodic table. In this periodic table which kind of classification it is available, just we need to discuss about that kind of content, that kind of context only. So here below the group here, so we have here 14 elements are there and in this also 14 elements are there. So here this is called as lanthanides, and this is called as actinides. So simply what I am saying here, so we have 18 groups and 7 periods now. So 7 periods means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So top to bottom is called as here groups and 7 periods is called as here horizontal. So one horizontal row here, horizontal row. Okay, horizontal row, 5th, 6th, 7th. So these horizontal rows are called as periods and here 18 groups means here first 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 groups are there here. So top to bottom is called as groups and left to right is called as periods. Okay, so here simply what I am saying here, this first group is called as first year group elements, and first year group elements are nothing but hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. And second group is called as second year group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. And 13th group is called as third year group element. Okay, so boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. And 14th group is called as fourth year group, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. And 15th group is called as fifth year group, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. 16th group is called as sixth year group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. And 17th group is called as seventh year group, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. And here eighth year group is called as noble gases and inert gases and zero group elements. So noble gases, inert gases, zero group elements, eighth year group elements, all are called as here helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are called as noble gases. So here simply remember that here periodic table is classified into 4 blocks, that is this first year and second year group, all these groups are called as S block elements. Okay, and here this third year to eighth year groups are called as P block elements. Okay, so P block elements. And this middle portion of the electron, 3d series, 4d series, 5d series, 6d series, these are called as D block elements. And bottom side here lanthanides, actinides, 14 elements are called as F block elements. So here periodic table is classified into 4 blocks, that is S, P, D, F. Why it is classified? To learn more with the least effort. That is the slogan of behind every classification. So here left hand side is called as S block elements, and right side of the periodic table is called as P block element, and middle portion of the periodic table is D block element, and bottom portion of the periodic table is F block element. Okay, so left side S block, right side P block, middle side D block, and bottom side F block. Okay, here I am not doing any Kathakali dance, so it is a classification of periodic table. Okay, it is a skeleton diagram of periodic table. In next video we will discuss about all the properties of every element, 118 element, and with respect to groups and periods. Okay, we will discuss all the topic in further videos. Just watch this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.